Hey guys, it's raining on the docks of Malaysia today. Just watching these guys unload. I don't know what it is. Looks like rock. And looks like they dumped some of it on the ground. Look at that guy walk right under the load. Looks white, don't it? Gee, that looks like salt. Maybe it is. Trying to clean up the mess they made. They must have missed once or something. Make you think since the rain just started, now they're closing everything out, that it might be salt. Interesting. Okay guys, check this thing out. There's a few tires on there, huh? It's two different trailers. I don't know what they're designed to carry, but something heavy, that's for sure. Okay guys, check this thing out. She's a big vessel carrying a lot of stuff for possibly a refinery or something. But that's not the reason I wanted to show this. Wait till we get down here. Wonder what happened here. Oh, some kind of OSB board, look. Stuff they make cheap furniture out of. Straps must have broke. I wonder, did that break offshore on the storm or just sitting here? Sure don't look good. Interesting. Okay guys, well that's it. Not a lot to see down here today. Bad weather. Not many cool boats.